Hi, I'm Peter, your Beverly Vacuum Cleaner expert. I'm located at 414 Rantoul Street in Beverly, Massachusetts. My phone number is 978-927-8003. Attention allergy sufferers, I know you're out there. You need a HEPA filter that will actually filter dust, dirt, and pet dander. When I put this HEPA filter in this machine, it doesn't leak. 99.9% contaminant free. When you're vacuuming, you move a lot of air. With an inexpensive HEPA vacuum cleaner, doesn't really work. The HEPA filter will warp, or it'll break, or it'll leak. This machine, you can hear it. Very, very quiet motor, very powerful. Great for homes. If you have a lot of carpet, great for carpet, bare floors. Come on down to Beverly Vacuum Cleaner. Like I said, I'm located at 414 Rantoul Street in Beverly, Massachusetts. You can see me on the web at beverlyvacuum.com.